Hello guys, I am Varun Srivastav, your mathematics mentor, and today we will discuss about complex numbers. Complex number क्या होते हैं, उनका इमर्जेंस कहाँ से हुआ, ऐसी ही कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें करेंगे आज के वीडियो में। सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलिए। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। As you know, in this video we are going to learn about complex numbers. But before starting, I want to ask you a simple question. Would you able to solve this quadratic equation which you can see on your screen? X square plus 1 equal to 0. Let's solve it together. When we solve it, we have x square is equals to minus 1. Now taking square root on both sides, what will we have? We will have x is equals to plus minus root of minus 1. But is this possible for real numbers? No. We all know that we can't find square root of any negative number. So what should we call such numbers? We can call them imaginary numbers because they are not real. So now we understood that the square root of any negative number is always an imaginary number. Hence, root minus 2, root minus 3, root minus 4, and root minus 5, and such as many more numbers, all these are examples of imaginary numbers. Now, let's learn something more interesting facts about imaginary numbers. You might be wondered to know that we can represent root minus 1 by a simple symbol iota, which you can see on your screen. Iota means root minus 1. Okay? I think you got this point. Now, can you tell me how can I write root minus 2 in terms of iota? Let's look. I can write root minus 2 is equals to root 2 into root minus 1. And as you know, root minus 1 can also be written as iota. So I can write root minus 2 as root 2 iota. Similarly, we can write root minus 3 as root 3 iota, root minus 4 as root 4 iota, or 2 iota. Why? Because the square root of 4 is 2. Okay. Now, similarly, we can write root minus 5 as root 5 iota. Now, I think you have adequate knowledge of real numbers and imaginary numbers. So now we can talk about complex numbers. Complex number is composed of real and imaginary numbers. So basically, a complex number has two parts, real part and imaginary part. Usually, a complex number is written as capital Z is equals to A plus iota B, where A is the real part and B is the imaginary part. Now let's move on some examples. As you can see in our first example, a complex number is represented as capital Z is equals to 3 plus 4 iota. So can you tell me what will be the real and imaginary parts of this number? Here we can clearly see the real part is 3 and imaginary part is 4. So we can write A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 4. Let's move on the next example. In this example, we have a complex number capital Z is equals to minus 3 plus 4 iota. So what will be the real parts and imaginary parts? The real part will be -3 and imaginary part will be 4. So here A will be -3 and B will be 4. Let's move on the next example. Here the complex number is represented as -3 -4 iota. So can you tell me what will be the real and imaginary part? The real part will be -3 and again the imaginary part will be -4. Similarly, in our next example, you can see we have a complex number 3 -4 iota. So the real part will be 3 and imaginary part will be -4. So now I hope you have learned and understood the concept of complex numbers. Further topics and concepts we will learn in our next video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye-bye.